Hello viewers. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to tell you about 300-watt solar system. This solar system is installed in an area where power outage issue increased in summer. Summer is very hot and temperature is very high. This increased the demand of grid power and also caused tripping grid electricity. With the help of solar panels we can tackle that issue and use solar energy in the absence of grid power as well as save electricity. This solar system can run lights, LED TV, and ceiling fans in daytime directly on UPS. We have AC and DC fans and both can be run on this solar system. For AC ceiling fan we have installed old UPS. And DC solar fan will be run directly from battery or PWM solar charge controller. Solar panel will charge the battery and UPS will convert DC to AC current and will run the fans lights and ceilings fans. Solar panels generate enough electricity to power these things and to save energy for night usage. This can save energy and cut off high electricity bills. We have bought these things for our solar system. 2 solar panels of Max Power Company, each 170 watt. Frame for 2 solar panels. Old UPS to run AC load. Phoenix 210 ampere battery. 30 ampere PWM solar charger controller. Wire and bolts. Battery terminal. We have installed the setup as you can see 2 solar panels getting sunlight and converting it to the energy and charge the battery. These solar panels work amazingly in all weather conditions. In the next video I will install double battery solar system. Please subscribe my channel for more solar related videos and information.